Are you looking for that perfect gift for the special person in your life, or hey, maybe for yourself? Well, first of all, let's start off by saying this box is nice. This makes for a great presentation if you're getting it for a gift or for yourself. Again, really nice presentation in here. Wow. This is really nice. I don't want to scratch this up because we're going to give this as a gift. Okay, let me just say how nice this is. I don't know if the camera's even going to show in person. Those diamonds really shine, like really shine. Yeah, this is nice. In here you have your charging cable, a little pouch to carry it, and also your manual. So to activate this, you're going to want to plug this into a USB port and then go ahead and connect it to the battery charging. Once you do that, it's going to activate your watch, and if it's not charged, it'll charge it. Wow. So if you turn the knob, you can select different. Oh, quality is just crisp and clear. Like, really nice. Wow. I am impressed. I am really impressed. The touchscreen is not like really laggy. Training, status, SOS, your phone, heart rate, sleep, blood pressure, SpO2, weather, music, messaging, alarm clock, raised awake, pressure, mood, breathe rate, breath, or breathe, AI voice, game functions, settings. Under settings, you have your watch face, you have themes, always on display, brightness, screen time, sounds, info, off, reset, QR code, pass. So we press this in to go back. You can turn that screen off. Let's see if we swipe. Okay, so we swipe down. You have all these settings as well. Swipe up. Swipe to the left. Okay, that brings up that. Can we do more? Okay. Swipe this way. This shows our steps, kcals, how many miles you've traveled. Over here, BPM. I mean, this is wow. Just the screen display of each setting is amazing. You can do weather. There's a game. You probably can add more games. You can always go back like that by pressing. Wow. You guys are looking for a gift? This is nice. This is really nice.